Good morning, Linted people in the planet Earth. Welcome to my own YouTube channel at Jupiter Rikisa FL 7WL. Today is September 24, 2025. Time 6:36 a.m. the morning. Today, I was already activities and what was the settlement about the ejection of my sister, Saint Helen Requisa, in the barangay will be settlement. Hmm? I don't know who's those people, the author for that one. What he said somebody, Jupiter is the sons of Rodrigo Duterte or Polong Duterte. It's funny. How can you become to become your own sons? Even since has my own birth, you will not sit. I will not see you and meeting each other. You can show me your my own photos together with yours. Not only photos without talking each others. You are so idiots clans. Huh? Talk to me. Show me. Those also the Roa, you always following me, ha? The impersonator of Helen Requisa, Saint Helen, my own sisters. Huh? Why can you talk to me? Why can you always talking to us? Don't always to show to that photos. What's that? Jupiter Requisa is not already collecting in the garbage. I have my own parents. Girodito Requisa. To those people, the Helen impersonator was said to us, Jupiter was already get throwing in the garbage. I show you, I put your mighty on your both eyes. Talk to us if you want. You are so fuck you. If you have already there right now in the barangay, don't like ignorance, because somebody people the ignorance of the laws, you are demoralizing yourself. You're crazy. Even my own names you will be changes. You said to us my face of Jupiter some of faces. Who you? I will not only familiarize you. You are not my own clans. You are not my bloods. So crazy. Duterte, you are not my blood. Rua, you are not my blood. Why can you always to me following me? Why you changes my own names? Who you? I will mentioning your names. If you see me, what you said, if me I going to the wet market in Bangkirwan, you can shoot me. You see what is the truth? Who you? Who you? Who yours? Because you are so powerful? Crazy. Shoot me if you want. Do it. Don't like the tigulang bayot. Don't like the gay. Jupiter, I'm not a gay. Same like yours.